So repeat, self-esteem.
Self-esteem.
How I value myself.
How I value myself.
We've been talking all these last several weeks about how the media affects your body image, how they send you all these photoshopped images and false expectations of what you're supposed to look like. But the one thing that I haven't covered that I'll speak about very quickly is about the body that you already have. You have to value the body that you already have. Not what you hope it's going to be in the future, not how it was in the past, but how your body is right now, today. Because what's the purpose of your body? What's the purpose of having a body?
Love.
What's the purpose of having a body?
Love.
To live. Your body is your temple. It's what keeps you alive. You have 2 legs. Their job is to get you from here to there. You have a heart. Its sole purpose is to keep the blood moving, keep all the nutrients, all the goodness floating through your body. Your body is doing what it's supposed to, and you should love it and appreciate it for what it does, instead of being mean to it and judging it for what it is not, because that doesn't make any sense. I asked you to write letters to primary school students. Do you remember that exercise? Did you all do that exercise? Was there anybody who didn't do that exercise? Oh, woman, oh, woman. What was the purpose of writing to primary school students?
To tell young ones that it's okay how they look and how they feel.
How is it any different you telling that to a primary school student as opposed to telling that to your friend that's in school?
They have a list. Social media.
Sorry, what did you say?
So whenever they grow up, they don't have to feel like when they're younger.
Yes. But shouldn't that apply then when you speak to your friends?
But they kind of grown up anyways, like, and they've already done it.
So if you have a friend that comes to you and says, I hate my body.
No, you don't. Obviously, we all, you just say the same, like, but you don't just say it to them. Probably.
But you should. We are meant to encourage one another. If you love someone, you encourage them. If you love someone, you look after them. And if you love yourself, you encourage yourself. If you love yourself, you look after yourself. Does that make sense? If you had a friend and they hated themselves, you'd be busy trying to tell them to love themselves. But the same applies to you. You are important. You are valuable. You are worthy. You deserve dignity and respect. You deserve to be loved. You are important. You're important. You look like you don't believe me, but you're important. And you need to carry this message with you in your head and in your heart for the rest of your life. And if someone tries to convince you that you aren't important, then you can tell them bye, because they don't have your best interest at heart. And why would you want to spend time with someone who doesn't care about you at all? Like, what's the point of that? So I hope you take some part of this message away with you. It's my last week here. I've really enjoyed you. Thank you for letting me teach you something. I hope you learned something. And that's it.
Thank you.
You're welcome.